Caltrain is proud to partner with Stadler US Incorporated to design and build the new electric trains for the transformative Caltrain Electrification Project. Parts for the electric trains are being developed by skilled craftspeople from all over the US, and the trains are being assembled and tested at Stadler in Salt Lake City, Utah, where a new facility has been built. Manufacturing of the Caltrain electric trains will create over 10,000 jobs nationwide and over 350 jobs in Utah alone. Caltrain Electrification is a historic project modernizing the 150-year-old corridor, creating jobs across the country, and reducing our carbon footprint and significantly enhancing service for our riders. We're proud of all the workers at Stadler US that have made this project possible.
We have a lot of dedicated and really passionate employees here at Stadler. Stadler currently employs a little over 450 employees. Half of those are directly dedicated to working on the Caltrain project.
So I'm Peter Chambers, I'm electrical pre-assembly. We'll do all of the panels from here, everything from brake control to door control, everything that connects the guts of the train. I like the work, challenging at times, rewarding too.
My name is Amy Andre, and I am the Program Development Coordinator. So the apprenticeship program is a Swiss model we brought here to Utah, and it's a dual education program. So the students spend half their time at school and half their time at work. So they get to learn trade, and then we pay for their associate's degree and pay them hourly.
My name is Lily Pate, and I'm an apprentice in trucking for both Caltrain and DART. Oh man, I've learned so much. Before I came here, I hadn't even touched a drill before, and now we're building basically all of the wheel structures from the ground up, adding everything inside of them, and it's really, really cool.
My name is Anastasia Johnson, and right now I'm on the mechanical track. I like all the hands-on work experience, you know, you don't really get that at high school. I like working with my hands and feeling like I actually did something.
My name is Blake. I'm the mechanical assembler, so I'll fly in some of the machinery here with the overhead cranes. My favorite thing's gotta be being on my feet and working with my hands a lot, being able to actually like go around and like build things, you know? Yeah, it's really cool. It's actually a really great job here.
My name's Owen Yance. I've been working here at Stadler US since 2020, and I'm a junior project manager on the Caltrain project. So seeing the first train sets roll out was a sigh of relief. We've all been kind of waiting for that moment, and I think it was really a morale booster for us here. Seeing those two leave was a great accomplishment for us here. If you hadn't ridden these trains before, once you do ride these trains, you're going to not want to drive to work or really drive your car anymore at all. So they'll be really excited to get these trains there, and I'm excited to see how the people of California like these. One word really comes to mind, is resiliency.
Revolutionary.
Fun, I like the work.
I think it's innovative.
Exciting.
It's a big learning experience.
The way of the future, you know?